Hi. Today, we will help you verify your email address for the TRX app. If you have already signed up, open the login screen and you would be asked to enter your email and password. After entering those, you will be asked to verify your email once only. Go to your favorite email client like Gmail or Outlook. Open your email that you use to create your TRX account and check for an email from no-reply@trxapp.io. Find the verification code. If you couldn't find the email, please wait for 2 to 3 minutes or check the spam folder. Now, open the TRX app and provide the verification code. On successful verification, you can log in and start being a part of logistics revolution.